Hello guys, this is me, Marlena Dura, and boxing our Galaxy S24 FA. I don't know what's the meaning of FA, but just, just let's put it like that. Okay, this is the only phone I can afford. It is my present for my birthday. Yesterday, today is March 27. My birthday was yesterday, March 26. This is it. The color, guys, is mint green. I don't know if you can see it. It's mint green. And we will going to cut it here. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Okay. And then here. What is going on? Okay, I got it. Okay. That's it. This is back. Sorry. This is the back. And this is the back. Okay, we will put it there. The back and the front. Oh, I can see my face. Hey, this is me, Marlena Dura. Welcome back to our unboxing. And I don't know how to on. Maybe here. Oh, this the color. It's mint. Mint. Maybe this is the on off. Oh, guys, really there is nothing inside except the phone. Except the phone. Okay. And we'll see. We'll check how it is. Because okay. Quick start guide. Okay. Inserting a nano SIM card sold separately. Okay. This is it. But oh yeah, I saw it now, this one, the pin to open. Okay, and this one, Every now and da la la la. How? Alam nyo guys, pala ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano. By Gupit. Yeah, it is Gupit. Then Gupit. Baka magupit ko yung hindi ano. Hindi dapat gupitin. And it's just 1 meter. Approximate. I will try it here. There is they have free guys, free. This is free. I don't think I Type-C earphone. Totally undistorted and lossless sound. Okay, it's worth 89 riyals, Saudi riyal, but they give it free. Okay, there's another one more free. Where is it? This one. Okay, the 25 watts power adapter. Okay, low standby. Low standby. Meaning meaning what? Okay. Alright. Shocking to the max naman to. Oh my god. Okay, let's get the blade guys, so that it will be easy. Ayan. Okay, this is it. Okay, we will going to put it here. I think it is correct. And then would be here. Okay. I don't know what is this for. This one. So I will going to plug in. Plug in. Oh, now this is it. It's charging now. Oh, very fast. So, okay, it will be I will put the SIM card here. But I think later on. Okay. Secured by Knox. The very nice singer. Mega love shout out Mrs. Knox. From the United States, a Filipina married to Oh. Oh. I don't know. Sending of diagnosis data optional. Privacy details. End user license agreement. This includes your agreement that Samsung may update your phone software automatically. Then I will say agree or what? No, okay. Guys, I need a help. So I will wait for my former roommate, her name Ruby. So I could transfer my SIM card to this phone from my old phone. Okay, guys. I'm very thankful for hearing me. Privacy and detail. Okay, so after that one. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This is me, Merlina Dura, unboxing my present for my birthday yesterday. I just have today. I just have the time to go to buy it, so I bought it for myself. This is the money I can afford. You know, Merlina Dura is poor. Okay, poor. Thank you very, very much. Very, very much appreciate. It is Galaxy S24 FA. Thank you for watching. I love you all.